How can you identify terrestrial biome locations? Imagine walking through a vast landscape and wondering what kind of environment you're in. Is it a lush forest, a dry desert, or a cold tundra? Knowing how to identify where terrestrial biomes are located can help you understand the world around you. The main clues are climate factors like temperature and rainfall. These two elements shape the plants and animals that can survive in an area. For example, deserts have very low rainfall and often high temperatures, making them dry and hot. Tropical rainforests are warm all year and get heavy rain, creating a lush, green environment. Temperate forests have moderate temperatures with distinct seasons and regular rainfall, making them comfortable for many trees and animals. Ecologists often use climate data to classify biomes. They look at graphs that show average yearly temperature against average yearly rainfall. These graphs follow a system called the Whittaker classification, which sorts biomes along moisture and temperature lines. Moving from dry to wet areas and from cold to warm areas, you can see the transition from tundra to grasslands, then to forests, and finally to rainforests. Latitude and altitude also help pinpoint biome locations. Latitude is how far north or south you are from the equator. Closer to the equator means warmer temperatures. Altitude is how high you are above sea level. Higher elevations tend to be cooler and sometimes wetter or drier, depending on the terrain. These factors influence what kind of biome you find in a specific spot. Another way to identify biomes is by looking at the dominant plants. For example, savannas have scattered trees and lots of grasses. Boreal forests, or taiga, are full of coniferous trees that thrive in cold climates. The structure and type of vegetation give clues about the environment's climate and conditions. Modern technology also helps. Satellites collect data on temperature, rainfall, and vegetation. Scientists use computer models to analyze this information and create maps of where different biomes are located around the world. These models can even predict how climate change might shift biome boundaries in the future. If you're trying to figure out a specific location's biome, start by gathering climate data, average temperature and rainfall. Then, note the latitude and altitude. Observe the plant types and their arrangement. Compare all these details to known characteristics of biomes. This approach helps ecologists, environmentalists, and anyone interested in understanding Earth's diverse environments. It also guides conservation efforts by showing which regions support unique biomes and how they might change over time.